Okay guys, let's see about new chainsaw. What we got here? We got gloves, we got instruction, manual instruction, what to use. We got battery here, one battery, check full. We got some equipment, we got chains, spare chains, some stuff for the fill up the oil, gloves, glasses. Good. Nice one. We got charger here. Got another battery. Let's check full. 21 volts, and the other one 21 volts. Yeah. And we got chainsaw. Yeah. Let's see how it works. Let's go. Let's see how the cuts in, yeah. Good. Not bad. The reason why I bought this chainsaw for the cuts in the branches, so it looks okay. Okay, good. We need to put the oil here. We should put the oil here.